Right now, these object-talking videos are very popular on the internet. They are getting lots of views and lots of followers. This niche is new, and there is very little competition. That means this is the best time to start. Many new pages are growing very fast. You can see their views and followers as proof. Just look at this one page. This Instagram channel has posted only 11 short videos, and each one has already racked up millions of views and followers. So what exactly are they doing to get such crazy views and followers? These videos feature everyday items, talking with funny, relatable, or surprising voiceovers. They spread rapidly because they entertain, spark emotions, and are highly shareable on social media platforms. Now, without wasting time, let's directly learn how to make this video. This video is made in just 3 simple steps. And for the first step, I've already completed 90% of your work. It's easy and simple process. Open ChatGPT. Look for GPTs in the corner. Click on Explore GPTs to see all the options. Now, in the search box, type the idea you want to make a video about. I want to create a video on healthy food, so I'm choosing the Healthy Talking Object GPT. Once you're inside, just click on Start Chat to begin. With Health Talking Objects AI, you can make viral health videos fast. It gives talking foods, ready scripts, ideas, and images all using AI. Now enter your idea in the box, then click Generate. Here, you can see that ChatGPT has given a detailed image prompt along with the video script. Now that the image and video prompts are ready, it's time to create the images using the image prompt. To generate the images, we will use Gemini AI. Go to Gemini AI. In the prompt box, paste the image prompt you got from ChatGPT. Then select Create Image and click Generate. Wait a few seconds while the image is being processed, and your image will be ready. Follow the same process to generate all your images. While generating the image, if any text appears on it, ask Gemini AI to remove the text. It will remove it easily. Once all the images are generated, it's time to use them to create the complete video. To create the video, we will use Flow AI with the VO3 model. Open Flow AI to get started. Now, click on the New Project option. Then, select the Ingredients to Video option. Now, upload the image you generated earlier using Gemini AI. Click to here and select 9:16 aspect ratio. Now click to Crop option. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for the image you generated. Paste the video prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. In a few seconds, your video will be ready.
I'm Banana, and I provide gentle energy while supporting comfortable digestion, best enjoyed in the morning or before activity.
Follow the same process to generate all your videos. This process works for the health niche, but you can use it to create videos for any niche you want. Go to ChatGPT, then click on Explore GPTs. In the search box, type Object Maker. You will also find the link in the description. Open it, then enter the idea you want to make a video about. I am going to make a video about a smartphone. As you can see, ChatGPT gives me a detailed script and prompts for this topic. Now, follow the same process. Use Gemini to create the images and use VO3 in Flow to create the videos.
I buzz all night so you don't miss your life, and still you drop me face down like I'm disposable. My battery fades, my screen cracks, and somehow I'm the problem.
When all your videos are generated, use CapCut to edit and combine them into one final video. Go to CapCut and import all your videos. Arrange them in the right order. And then in timeline.
I buzz all night so you don't miss your life, and still you drop me face down like I'm disposable. My battery fades, my screen cracks, and somehow I'm the problem. You can't just keep interrupting me like this! I am this close to losing my...
When you're done, export the video in HD quality.
I'm Strawberry, and I support healthy gums while adding natural freshness. Perfect in the morning or early afternoon.
I'm Cheese, and I support strong enamel by helping balance your mouth after meals, especially helpful after lunch or dinner. I'm Banana, and I provide gentle energy while supporting comfortable digestion, best enjoyed in the morning or before activity. I also support gut balance by feeding friendly bacteria, perfect as a midday snack.
I buzz all night so you don't miss your life, and still you drop me face down like I'm disposable. My battery fades, my screen cracks, and somehow I'm the problem. You can't just keep interrupting me like this! I am this close to losing my...